In this video, I would like to share with you a method how to use your iPad as a CINTIQ and as a secondary monitor at the same time on Windows PC. It's not perfect, but it gets the job done until Luna display is finally available for Windows. Yay! Okay, first you will need to download Easy Canvas Pro. With this app, you can draw with your iPad on your PC, but it only mirrors your screen. It costs €5 per year, which is pretty damn cheap if you compare it to AstroPad Studio or Duet Display. There is also a free version, but I suggest you to use Pro version as it provides better drawing experience. Just download it from their website and install it on both your PC and iPad. Once installed, open it on your iPad and wait for connection. The second piece of puzzle is this weird thing called USB mobile monitor, which I found pretty much accidentally when searching for some solutions. What it does, it makes your PC think you have another display connected. Just download it from their website and extract it anywhere you want. To install, just run the bat file as an administrator and wait until it's done. Now we can test it out. Right-click on Easy Canvas icon in System Tray and select the second display. Now your iPad should act like a secondary monitor, while using Easy Canvas Pro at the same time. There are two problems though. The first problem is that the virtual display driver we installed limits the resolution only to 1080p, which means we won't be able to use full potential of iPad's Retina display. For this I haven't found any solution yet, so if you have any suggestions, just leave them in the comments please. The second problem is that the driver deactivates each time you shut down your PC, which means you would have to type the command line to activate the driver again and again on each boot up. For this, there is a solution. We will simply create shortcuts for these command lines. Start by searching for command prompt, right-click and open file location. Make shortcut of it and put it on desktop. Now rename the shortcut to VDD_off. Right-click on it, click on Properties, and in the box where it says Start In, paste the exact location where you extracted the drivers before. Now copy this text at the end of the target box. What it does, it executes the commands by itself and then quits afterwards. Hit apply and OK. Now we will just make a duplicate of this shortcut and rename it to VDD_on. This one is for activating the driver. Just change the 0 to 1 in the target path. Test it out and see if it works. If not, just check if there is no typo in the properties. There is one more thing we can do to make it even more seamless. We can make the driver that extends your screen activate automatically each time you start your PC. To do this, hit Start plus R and type shell:startup, and now copy into this folder shortcut you have made called VDD_on. Now it should be working each time you start your PC. To avoid being asked for permission when the shortcut runs, just go to Change Account Control Settings and disable it. And that's it. I hope this helps at least few of you. If you have any questions or issues with it, just let me know in the comments and I will try to help you. Also, consider subscribing to this channel, as I might continue to do this kind of tutorials or some other weird stuff. Thanks for watching, and bye.